In this video, we're going to continue topic 7.8, and we're going to look at example 4. So 4 months after it stops advertising, a manufacturing company notices that its sales have dropped from 100,000 units per month to 80,000 units per month. If the sales follow an exponential pattern of decline, what will they be to the nearest unit after another 2 months? So the first thing I need to do is I actually need to find my initial condition. So I'm noticing that they talk about a starting point of 100,000. So we're going to use 100,000 as an initial condition. I also recognize another point that was the beginning of the 4 months. At the end of the 4 months, we had 80,000. So that's another, so my X value would be 4 and my other value would be 80,000. So we're going to use our exponential formula. So A of t equals CE to the KT. I am going to plug in my initial condition to begin solving for the C. So for the Y value, I'm plugging in 100,000 CE to the K times 0. We know that K times 0 is 0. And then we know that E to the 0 power is 1, so C has to be 100,000. So our new equation would be A of t equals 100,000 E to the KT. Now I need to solve for K. So that's where the second point comes in. So I'm going to use this new equation. I'm going to plug in 80,000 for the Y value equals 100,000 E to the K times 4. I am going to go ahead and move my 100,000 to the other side. And when I do that, I'm dividing by 100,000. When I reduce that fraction, I actually get 4/5 equals E to the 4K. In order to get rid of the E, I take the natural log of both sides. So this cancels here. And we have the natural log of 4/5 equals 4K. Then I divide by 4, or I multiply by 1/4. So I'm going to choose to multiply by 1/4. So I have 1/4 natural log of 4/5 equals K, meaning that my new equation is A of t equals 100,000 E to the 1/4 natural log of 4/5 t. So that's my new equation. Now I've got to finish reading the question. If the sales follow an exponential pattern of decline, what will they be to the nearest unit after another 2 months? So if I started at 4 months, another 2 months would be 6 months. So I need to use my new equation here, and I would need to plug a 6 into it. So A of 6 equals 100,000 E to the 1/4 natural log of 4/5 times 6. And then I would, of course, hit my buttons on my calculator, because at this point it would be a calculator problem. And I would get that this is approximately 71,554.175 units. It did say to go to the nearest unit. So if I went to the nearest unit, that would be 71,554 units.